What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste test video. And today we're gonna be taste testing. We have the cheese pizza Cheetos puffs. Smell like cheese pizza.
I would hope so. Where you get it from, Josue?
7-Eleven.
How much was it?
Like $2.50.
Oh yeah. It's funny. It's just basically extra cheese.
Give him one.
Who?
Oh,
I thought you. Oh, look at it, nigga.
No, I'm not talking about Charlie.
Damn, this don't taste like.
It can taste marinara. That's crazy.
Yeah, what the fuck?
If they made a shot pizza
Good.
version, if they made a shot pizza version, maybe.
When we become
Penny like that.
big time content creators, maybe you will.
That's an 8 out of 10.
They made
Yeah, it's like 8 or 9. Damn.
Wow, man.
Get the fuck away from my camera. I can't see, nigga. How that is, brother?
Who breath high?